In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and create templates in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to streamline your email process, making it much more efficient and effective for business communication. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. This is where everything begins. Once you're in, you'll quickly spot the gear icon in the upper right corner, just like a little toolbox filled with settings. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select See All Settings, which, just like popping the hood of a car, gives you a full view of all the settings you can tinker with. Now, find the Advanced tab at the top. This is where Gmail stores a lot of the nifty features that aren't turned on by default. Here, you're specifically looking for the section labeled Templates. It's usually nestled among other cool options, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've found it, simply select Enable. This is like flipping a switch to activate templates for your account. Don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial. Otherwise, all your settings may revert back and the templates won't be ready for use. With that set, let's move on to composing a new email. Click on the big Compose button. This should be second nature by now, but here's where things will look a little different. In the new email pop-up, you'll see 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as ellipses, located in the bottom right corner of the email draft window. Click on these ellipses and voila! A menu appears with the Templates option. Selecting Templates lets you dive into a world of pre-saved email drafts that you can load into your current email. This means you can write it once and use it as many times as you need, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency across your communications. You'll have the option to insert an existing template or create a new one by typing out an email and saving it as a template. This is done by clicking on Save Draft as Template and then Save as New Template. Give it a unique name so you can easily identify it later. And there you have it. You've not only enabled but also started creating templates within your Gmail for Google Workspace, making your email communication smoother and more professional. For any businesses looking to maintain consistent and efficient messaging, this is an invaluable tool. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this walkthrough empowers you to take full advantage of Gmail's capabilities. Until next time, happy emailing